Welcome everyone. Today we'll learn the basics of how to set a table. We'll keep it short and simple. Suppose guest will be sitting this side of the table. Then start by placing the dinner plate at the center. If you're serving a first course like soup or salad, place the salad plate or soup bowl on top of the dinner plate. For placing the utensils, follow this simple rule. Forks go to the left, knives and spoons go to the right. Now start by placing dinner fork to the left of the plate, and on the right side, place the dinner knife. Remember, when placing any knife, make sure its sharp edges are toward the plate or inward. If you are serving salad, place the salad fork to the left of dinner fork and the salad knife to the right of dinner knife. If soup is on the menu, place the soup spoon on the far right side. Always arrange utensils so guests work from the outside in. The utensils farthest from the plate are used first. You can add or remove utensils depending on the dishes you're serving. If serving fish, place the fish fork and fish knife outside the dinner fork and knife. If salad isn't being served, leave out the salad fork and knife. Simple. Dessert utensils are placed above the dinner plate. For ice cream or other desserts eaten with a spoon, place the dessert spoon above the plate with the handle pointing to the right. This makes it easy to bring the spoon down when needed. For cake or desserts eaten with a fork, place the dessert fork above the plate with the handle pointing to the left. If you want, you may bring dessert fork or knife along with the dessert. Then there is no need to preset them. Now place a B or bread and butter plate up to the top left above the forks. Place a butter knife at an angle with blades inward. On the other hand, on the right, above the knives we place glassware. Water glass goes directly above the dinner knife, and if you're serving wine, place the wine glass slightly to the right of water glass. Finally, we place napkin. You can place it in several ways. For example, fold it neatly and place it left of the forks, or you can place it below the forks, or do some creative napkin fold and position it on the plate. Well, your table is all set. Additionally, you can add some flower buds, candles, or decorative elements to enhance the ambience. Just make sure they don't block the view across the table. Please note, this is a casual setup for a small restaurant or for hosting a guest at home. For fine dining setups, some rules may vary. For that, you can watch this video.